Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to create index files. This is the core concept in Splunk. After this we need to learn index clustering. Okay, first we have to learn what is index, how to create an index. Go to settings, click on indexes. Okay, here you can able to see 38 indexes are present in this Splunk. Go to new index. Okay, first we have to give the index name. For example, I am giving logs_logs. This is just an example, so no need to worry about it. If you are creating new index, you need to give the name, what and where are you collecting the logs from, what is the index name, and what is the source type. You have to mention clear cut. Okay, let's see what is index data type. Here you can see the two types, events and metrics. If you observe while looking at the logs, you are able to see the events. Events means the IP address, the method, the timestamp, the website, or okay, these are some events in a logs. So we know the events, right? So what is a metrics? Metrics means the CPU utilization and storage and some important functionalities that is depend on the Splunk. These are the metrics. What is a home path here? Here home path refers to hot, warm or cold path or thawed path and frozen path. Now what are these? For example, imagine a bucket. There is four buckets names as hot bucket, warm bucket, thawed bucket and frozen bucket. For example, if you are ingesting your logs from the different instance, it is obviously taken as hot bucket. How and why? Why the hot bucket? For example, if you are working in the logs, for example, the logs has a specific storage. For example, here the maximum entry index is 500 GB. If this 500 GB exceeded its limit, it goes to the frozen path. Before, for example, here you can see the 500 GB when the index hit 400 GB and the remaining is only 100 GB is left. So it will slowly moving to the warm bucket. Okay, then what is a cold and a thawed? For example, the warm bucket is also filled with previous logs. So where is it goes? It goes to the cold path. Okay, how do we know where do we ingesting all these logs and where? How do we know actually? For example, if you are search in the search and reporting tab, if you search anything related to index, for example, 1 year back, you need 1 year logs back. If you enter that log, it will not able to see, or it will able to show the light information about the logs. That is under the cold path. That is rarely searchable. And the hot warm is, it is a default bucket to search the logs. Okay, these buckets, the depth of these buckets will be we will have to learn in the second video. After this video, I will explain each and every bucket clearly so that you can easily understand the concept. Okay, what is the timestamp resolution in seconds or milliseconds? For example, if you are searching any index in the search and reporting tab, it gives within seconds, right? It gives the result in within seconds. What is milliseconds? Yeah, here you are able to see the milliseconds search depthly. For example, logs, what logs, which logs, what type of logs, okay, the index, okay, the information, all the deep logs. For example, a raw log, it converted into events, some important events, but in the milliseconds it will search that string into deeply. Okay, here you can see specify the timestamp precision of the metrics in index with millisecond time precision have reduced search performance. Why the search performance is reduced? This is the reason. It will search deeply into the particular logs, so it will reduce the search performance. Okay, maximum size of entire index, here 500 GB. You can reduce it or you can improve it, so I'm giving the default as 500 GB. Next, maximum size of warm hot cold bucket. Okay, I'm giving this auto, or you can specify it. Okay, I'm giving auto. No, I'm having 100 MB, sorry, 1000 MB. Each bucket have 1000 MB size. Oh, here you can say 1000 GB. Okay, sorry, 1000 MB. Now it will act as 1000 MB. Okay, let's see what is frozen path here. What is frozen path? Frozen path is archive path. For example, there is a logs which is collected previously, like 1 year ago. It will go to the archive, so it will rarely searchable. If you search that logs, you are not able to get it, or sometime you are able to get it. So there is no chance whether you are perfectly getting that log search or not. That is being archived. Okay, what is the default app for this? I am giving the search and reporting. Okay, this is about creating index. In the next video we will discuss about more important deep dive into the buckets. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.